Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of eBay. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about eBay app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about eBay, you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.